Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Today, audio podcast because I'm sitting in a hill station. There's a heavy rain, so lighting is also not good. Maybe just for 1 or 2 days, this may go on like this. One more important announcement. So coming Saturday and Sunday, I'm having a workshop in Bangalore. Okay, for one other reason, our website is not working. But in this video, in the description, our office contact number is given. So one can pay by credit card also. We are making arrangements. So if you are interested, you may contact our office. And coming back to the markets, so as expected, markets were very, very volatile. I told you it was very, very surprising that markets keep on moving higher, especially after such a bad budget. And I thought, at some point of time, some selling will happen. But that has actually happened exactly today. Nifty, almost touched 25,000, 24,999.75. I don't know, somebody must have put a basket order selling to sell if market touches 25,000. And the fall was so severe. I always say bull market corrections are fast and furious, but today, the way the Bank Nifty was moving, especially after good results from ICICI Bank, who would have thought 1,100 point fall in just a matter of 15 minutes? Just 3 5-minute candles, Bank Nifty has fallen 1,100 points. Then recovered, then again selling came, again recovered, so it was very, very volatile. But at the end of the day, Bank Nifty closed somewhere near the low. That was a really, really disappointing performance. But this is despite PSU Bank Index moving more than 2%. Today, it was mainly because of the private sector banks, particularly because of HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank was too volatile, and today, intraday, HDFC Bank broke 1,600. I think the high was close to 1,800. So from 1,800 to 1,600, I think it's more than 12% fall. So HDFC Bank is the real laggard. But however, the other index heavyweight, Reliance, has supported. Selling came only in large cap stocks, but otherwise mid cap, small cap, next 50, and everything has outperformed. As expected, India VIX moved higher. I think it was up more than 5-6%. FIIs have sold for about 2,500 crore. Remember, after that disastrous budget, they were selling, but don't know why they bought so much on Friday. Friday, they bought for 2,500 crore. So that entire 2,000 crore buy, now it has become a sell. So that means, Friday and Monday put together, so they are just neutral. After the budget, they are continued to sell. So State Bank of India results will be coming, I think, by the end of this week. So I think the speculation is being built up there. So that's why the PSU banks are doing extremely well. If you are looking at the open interest, 25,000 call option added huge open interest today. Especially Nifty almost touched 25,000, and then Nifty future even for 70-80 point higher. But I think probably the open interest was built up when the market crashed. So we have only 3 more trading sessions and 25,000 call, which is actually very near, not very far away. It's roughly about 150 points from here. So that means for next 3 days, even average 50-60 point higher every day for next 3 days also, Nifty can scale to 25,000, but people are taking bearish view. So anyway, but so far our market structure is that, frequently it keeps correcting. Even Nifty has corrected more than 1,000 point 3 or 4 times in the last 7 or 8 months, but uniformly market recovered, market moved higher. It is, I can say, our markets have been moving 2 steps up and 1 step down. But this time, will it recover? Will the new high will be scaled? becoming a little bit doubt because of this budget. If not for this budget, we would have had very, very bullish opinion. So how much this budget is going to have impact in stock market? So only time will tell. So anyway, European markets are good. US markets are also looking good. And as I told you, the downside may also be limited. I think the maximum 24,000, but upside maybe, we are in uncharted territory. So as I told you in the pre-market, maybe maximum 25,200. Today, 25,200 call option, even at closing time also, it was trading around 20 rupees, I think. Closing, I think it is 15, 16, but even after 3 o'clock also it was trading around 20 rupees. That's a good premium for option sellers. So anyway, so this market has been a challenging market for intraday traders. So there was a two-way, three-way, four-way moves. And today, the sudden fall in 15 minutes, 1,100. I think now people are speculating the Jane Street and Millennium hedge funds are becoming active once again in our market. So we don't know, we have to wait and see. But this selling around 25K is expected. Now look, 25,000 call option trading around 1,000 rupees, even for December series. So that takes the target to December to 26,000. And then last October, it was 19,000. From 19,000 to 26,000, imagine. It's almost, one third. So markets, I don't know how far the market can move, but at least in my opinion, market should consolidate for some time before the next move. And especially when FIIs are not supporting this market. So anyway, rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.